Spider-Man wouldn't swing to the wrong building, so why are you still emailing sarah@company.com when she left in 2021? Using outdated contact details is like sending your best pitch into a black hole. No replies, no sales. Here's the fix. Use Clay. It auto-updates your contacts using LinkedIn, social signals, and inbox sync. Example, you sent a proposal to Mike, but he changed jobs. Clay spots it and pings you. Mike now works at not your client. Now you can find the new decision maker instantly. Pro tip, use Clay's enrichment workflow with filters like new job title or domain change and zap it into your CRM. No more chasing ghosts. And if your site still says, contact us at InfoWe, please build a proper form on moksy.ai. It's free and built for grown-ups. Still emailing dead ends? Or ready to sell like Superman with laser accurate data? Smash that subscribe.